extraction of value that we can utilize moving forward with signing anything. And I even jokingly say, especially with this being holidays, before you sign a Christmas card, make sure you have your attorney to review it. And I think for a lot of people that just really hits home. So that's one of the stories that I use a lot.
Got you. Very, very good, very good. Hey,
so Ken, real quick, one of the things I learned how I could tailor my stories in the presentation was in my conversation with the decision maker when I asked, tell me a little bit about your employees. How long have they been with you? Are they married? Do they have kids? About the age range, because then I can tailor my stories to hone in a little bit. So like if they're all younger, I talk about a 31-year-old gentleman that I had at an automotive place that thought about getting his will done. I said, you need to do it. He has a 9-year-old son. He agreed to do it, but he passed away before he could do it, went in his sleep. So I use stories that kind of relate to the audience that I'm talking to, and I get that from the decision maker.
Perfect.